Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to show you guys a brand new little product that I received from W2Com Group. It's called Podoor and it's an Air mouse. Today I'm going to just unbox it and show you guys what's inside of this little box. And then in a later video I will be demonstrating on how this is working and a little review about this little device. So today I will just unbox it. So you can see that once you receive it, it's a little box. It's not very big. It has nice marking. You can see right now on the top that it does show the picture of the remote itself. It does indicate that it is an Air mouse, and then at the bottom it does indicate that it is a remote control plus mouse plus keyboard and somatic gaming hand grip, which is true. I will be just going on a side. You can also see there's some marking here that indicates what this will have. Well, the first thing is that this remote is 2.4 gigahertz and it is wireless. It has the anti-shake algorithm. That makes a lot of sense if you're playing video games using this. Another thing is that it's somatic gaming and supports multi-platform. I will be getting that in a few seconds. And by the way, it does support Android. That's the big part. Now if you go on the sides, there's no marking or nothing. If you go on the back, it actually says which devices it will be controlling or which device is supported. First, it does work on PC. Second thing, Android smart TVs, notebook if you have, or laptops, Android TV boxes, Android TV dongles, also projection. This is something at work I could use. Another thing, if you want to go to their website, has been indicated here. Also, it's going to be, the website will be available in the bottom. Same with the w2com.com. If we go in the back, it has some of the specifications. Also has a nice looking picture of the other side of this remote. And at the bottom, it does indicate everything that was in the front. So without further ado, let's just open it. Once you open it, you will see the remote itself, and we're gonna put this aside for now. We will see what else is inside of this. So once you open it, just comes with the dongle. So we will just put the case aside. The dongle is very small and it makes a lot of sense if you hook this up to your computer rather than something different or bigger. It is very small and it does the job for you perfectly. So we will put this aside. Now the remote itself. The remote itself, on one side from the top, you can see there is a little LED light. So when you press a button, it should light up. There you go. And right now it just requires a little bit of charge. The next thing, you have the volume down, the volume up, and the mouse button. You have the OK button and the up and down, right to left. Also at the bottom, you have the return button, a home button, and the menu button if you're using Androids. If you look in the bottom, there's a little marking. It could be they were thinking to use this as mic. I believe they didn't do it. If you look in the bottom, you can see there is a little charger, so you could use your micro SD, which does not came in the box. You could use to charge it up. So it is 5 volt. You can hook it up to USB to computer to charge it, or you can use it to hook it up to power source to charge this up. And if we flip it in the back, you can see all the full keyboard is there. The only difference that I saw was since it didn't fit, they had to take the O and the P and put it in the bottom. That was it, except that the whole key is all there, so you can use it. So it needs a little bit of getting used to in order to use this keyboard. Except that you have the shift, you have the tab, you have the control, the function button if you want to use anything different, F1 and F2 on your computers. Also you have the delete button, you have the enter, which is big enough to press, and also the 0, which makes it very easy to control your full keyboard. Gotta let you know one more thing, that the keys itself is nicely done. It is, let me just zoom in a little bit. The keys are nicely done. You can see it is not sticking out, but again, when you press the buttons, it does make a little clicking noise, but it is not really loud when you're typing. That is what we want from a remote. So this remote is very little, very small, but it does the job for you when you need it. Now for specification. The Podoor Air mouse includes 2.4 wireless USB receiver, and it's simple to install to any platforms. It is an Air mouse. It has built-in anti-shake algorithm. It is a wireless keyboard. Support working with PC. Remote control in Android devices is specifically optimized for Android OS based set-top boxes. It has a rechargeable battery, ultra low power consumption. Also it's compatible such as Windows, Android, Mac OS, and Linux. So today I came out to show you guys unboxing of Podoor Air Mouse. I hope you guys like my video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and thank you.